Near a tall, shining waterfall, deep inside a big green jungle, lived a small monkey named Miko. The waterfall roared day and night. Mist sparkled in the sunlight like tiny diamonds. Birds flew high above the trees, spreading their wide, beautiful wings. Every day, Miko sat on his favorite tree and watched them.
How lucky they are. I wish I could fly.
Miko used to love climbing trees. He was one of the fastest monkeys in the jungle. He could swing from branch to branch like the wind. But now, he didn't feel proud anymore.
What's the use of climbing? Flying is better. Flying is special.
He stopped practicing. He stopped swinging. He stopped enjoying what he was good at. Instead, he tried to fly. One afternoon, Miko climbed the tallest tree near the waterfall. His heart beat fast. "This time I will do it," he said. He jumped from a high branch, spreading his arms wide like wings. For 1 second, he felt free. Then, thud, he landed in a bush. Ouch, he cried. But he didn't give up. The next day, he tried again. And again. And again. Every time, he fell.
Monkeys don't
Some
fly.
animals started laughing.
Monkeys don't fly.
"Monkeys don't fly," a parrot said. Miko felt small. Smaller than ever before. One evening, as the sky turned orange and pink, an old eagle landed beside him. The eagle had strong wings and wise golden eyes.
I have been watching
you,
you.
said the eagle
Why do you
gently.
want
Miko
wings so
looked at the
badly?
ground. "Because flying is special," he said softly.
Because flying is special. No one cheers for monkeys who climb.
Little one, birds fly because that is their gift. But can I swing from tree to tree like you? Can I climb the tallest tree in seconds?
No,
Can I balance on thin branches and move like the wind?
no.
Every creature in this special epithy of Leshpi, the deer runs away, the deer runs fast, the fish swims deep, the birds fly high, and monkeys reach places no one else can.
But I don't feel special.
Then maybe you are looking at the wrong sky.
That night, Miko could not sleep. He kept thinking about the eagle's words. The next morning, something happened. A loud cry echoed through the jungle. "Help! Help!
Help! Help!
Animals gathered near a rocky cliff beside the waterfall. A baby deer had slipped and was stuck on a narrow ledge. The cliff was too steep, too high, too dangerous. The birds circled above, but they were not strong enough to carry the baby deer. The elephants couldn't climb. The deer were too afraid. Everyone looked worried. Miko's heart started beating fast. "I can climb," he thought. But then doubt came. "What if I fall?
I can climb.
What if I fail?"
What if I
The
fall?
old eagle
What
looked
if I
at him
fail?
from above. Sometimes, the eagle called
Sometimes
out,
your
"Your
gift is needed."
Miko took a deep breath. Slowly, he stepped toward the cliff. He grabbed a vine. He placed his feet carefully. He began to climb. The rocks were slippery from the waterfall mist. The vine was strong. But Miko remembered who he was. He wasn't a bird. He wasn't meant to fly. He was a monkey. And monkeys climb. Higher and higher he went. Branch to branch. Tree to tree. The jungle watched in silence. Finally,
It's
Miko
okay.
reached the baby
I've
deer.
got you.
"It's okay," he said gently. "I've got you."
It was not
He
easy.
wrapped his arm around the frightened deer and slowly climbed down, step by step. It was not easy. But it was something only he could do. When Miko reached the ground safely, the jungle exploded with cheers. The deer's mother hugged her baby
You saved
tightly.
my child.
You saved my child, she cried. The parrots flapped excitedly. The elephants trumpeted proudly. Even the birds circled above in celebration. Miko looked around. For the first time in a long time, he felt warm inside. The old eagle landed beside him again. Do you still wish for wings? The eagle asked. Miko smiled.
Do you still wish for wings?
No, he said confidently.
No, I don't need
I
wings.
don't need
I have
wings.
my own strength.
I have my own strength. From that day on, Miko climbed again. He swung higher than ever before. He helped others reach fruits, cross rivers, and stay safe. And whenever he saw birds flying, he didn't feel sad anymore.
Fly
He
high, my
simply
friends.
smiled and said,
I will climb
Fly
strong.
high, my friends. I will climb strong. And the jungle became a happier place because every animal understood one important truth. You don't need someone else's gift to be special.
Don't compare yourself to others. You are special in your own way.
The moral of the story is, don't compare yourself to others. You are special in your own way. Stay happy with what you have. I will come with next moral story. Until stay happy.